Yo, is that fire?
Hello everybody, welcome back to our APCS. I have a few announcements to make. I have two things to say. First announcement I want to say is that I have officially changed my YouTube channel name from RQBCS, just RQB. I changed it to RQBCS because it will allow me to post other content rather than just computer science stuff, because I will 100% keep posting computer science stuff and everything, but I want to diversify a little bit, do things that I enjoy. I'm not saying that I don't enjoy computer science, because I love it, but I also want to do other things to not bore you guys with the same content, okay? And then second of all, I'm back to posting daily. I had taken like a 1 week break from posting during Holy Week because I just wanted to rest, get some other work done. But now I'm back on my grind. I will be seeing daily videos during the week, probably not during the weekends. During the weekends I'll try to post maybe like short clips or YouTube shorts as they're called. But yeah, in this video I'm going to be talking about binary search and how to conduct methods on an array to find something using the binary search algorithm. As you can see here in this class, I have a main method, and in this main method there's an array of music objects. I have a music class somewhere in this file that allows me to make music objects which have the instance variables of the song name, the year was released, and the artist name. I'm not really going to look much into it, but here I just created for each element of the array a different music object with different titles. Some of the years are the same, some of the artists are the same. Now, our first binary search method is going to be here. It's going to be the binary search title. Why is this one different from the other two? This one is different because in this binary search method, I'm searching for one thing specific. There's one song with that said title, so there cannot be two songs with the same title. So that's why I'm only looking for one thing. Later on, I'm going to explain how if you want to search for things that are like the same name or everything, you're going to need a different type of method. But anyways, I'm going to give you a short rundown of how binary search works. So binary search, you basically break down the array into small halves and keep halving it until it's an array of 1 or 2, and then you determine whether your thing you're searching for is in that small array, right? So it could either take a long time or short, but the benefits of binary search is that you don't have to search through every single element in that array. You can search piece by piece like that. So first here, we start by making 3 integers: a high integer, which is the length of the array, a low integer, which is -1, and a probe. This probe is going to be like your midpoint, I guess. So the probe is where you search either half to the left or half to the right. So in order to do this, we make a while loop, and you do while the high point of the array minus the low point of the array is greater than 1. This means that it's going to keep searching until it's greater than 1, just one element in the array, right? So probe is equal to high plus low divided by 2. That just means it's the midpoint because it's the middle of the array. If the probe the method get title calls back a title, so if the title at this index compares to the string find is the string we're trying to find, it's greater than 0, that means the high is equal to the next probe. That means that it's to the right. If it's low, that means it's to the left. Why if it's greater than 0? Because if you compare to a string to another string and it's greater than 0, that means that the string you're comparing to comes after, lexicographically, like on a dictionary basically. So that loop keeps running until it's greater than 1, and then if low is greater than or equal to 0 and the songs at low get title compared to find equal to 0, and you return low, because that means that at low the title is the same as the string find, what you're trying to find, so you return low. Else you return -1, which means you didn't find it. Okay, so for this method, when we trying to search for it, we go up and we do test is equal to binary search title. You call the method with the array that you want to search to and what you're trying to find. If test is not equal to -1, that means you found it, and you print out found and then the array with the test. If not, it's not found. If it's -1, that means it's not found, so you print out not found. Okay, now that's our first method. Now for our second method, for binary search, it's the same kind of idea, it's a little bit longer. Okay, you still start out with the same parameters, the same 3 integers, and the same concept, but here it's different, because if the songs at the probe get year, so this returns a year. If the year at that index is greater than the one you're trying to find, you set the probe equal to the high, so that means it's to the right. If not, that means that the probe is to the left, and then it just finds that if the song at the probe is equal to the year that you're trying to find, you break. What does break do? It breaks from the loop. Like if that statement is true, you break from the loop. So you find it, you break from the loop, right? And then if low greater than or equal to 0 and songs at low the get year, so the year at low is equal to find the year you're trying to find, then you linear print. What is linear print? That's another method that comes with binary search. So this year is to print all of the songs of in that year, not just the one. Okay, so you guys start with 3 integers, int I for the loops, int start is equal to low, and int end equal to low, right? So you find a starting point from the low values. So I is equal to low -1, and then you start while I is less than equal to 0 and songs is less than greater than find. I mean start because you go to I. You set start your integer here equal to whatever this index is, and then you also do it for the ending points. So you search both sides of the array basically for all of the elements like that. So you set end also equal to whatever index it is, and then you print out the matches because the index is going to be equal to start and it goes to the end, right? So therefore it's only going to print those matches that are the same as what you're searching for. See, it's a little bit complicated. You guys can look over the code again if you need more help with it. Okay, but basically if I run this method, let me run the main method, this is what it would look like. We have our titles before searching. Here where we search for the scientist, we found it, scientist 2002 Coldplay. Then we search for power, it's not there. Searching for songs 2014, found all the songs that are in 2014 because we use that modified binary search method. Then again, we can do the same for the artist instead of just years, and we can find all the songs for the artist Bruno Mars. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was longer than my usual and it was a little more complicated, but if you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and let me know how you thought of this video. Okay, RQB, not APCS no longer, I'm RQB, and I'll be posting tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.